Hi everyone, this is Angel from BK Cinadre. Today I would like to introduce a very cool all system which is use only one profile, aluminum profile, sharp 3 pain points for the all panel. Let me introduce you one by one. The first thing is this all we use porcelain slab to make the all panel. So between the porcelain slab and the joint, we use this aluminum profile. So the ceiling and the bottom, we use aluminum profile with the LED lights. So when you see the whole ceiling and the bottom, we use a very elegant LED lights. So it looks very cool. And the third thing is that, so we solve the problem of the joint line of the porcelain and the LED lights, the top and the bottom. The third thing is that between, for example, this is a lift. Between the lift, here we use the same for the aluminum profile and here. So it will look nice, the finishing. So it's simple, but it's nice. So the third pain points for the all panel is that this all and this all. So how to make the joint? So we use this profile. So when you see, it's very nice because you know this aluminum profile we use the powder painting. So when you see closer, it's nicer. So this we use porcelain slab to make this visual looking, to make this design. So here we have another material to make the all system, the all panel. Here we use the same aluminum profile, but we use frosted oil glass. So the finishing, the touch is perfect. And you can see this, the color we use, champagne color to make it very simple but elegant. When you come closer, it's very, the finishing, the joint lines is just cool. You see? So this is the second option for the all panel system. And here we have another way is that we use curved veneer all panel. So we use the same aluminum profile. So here is the wave veneer to make this all panel. So you can see it. Even if this is a corner, we use different material. So the joint is perfect. You can see it. But we use different material. So the whole all is very simple with the aluminum profile. It shows different, but it's really very cool. So this all panel we already assembled in our factory. When you have products, you only need to put this all panel, to put in the all. That's it. Because it is well assembled all system in our factory. So this is the all system. Like here we didn't make the LED light, okay? But in this side we make the LED lights in the bottom and the all. So it depends on your designs. You also can have leather finishing for the all panel or for the HPL board to make the all panel. So it depends on your design. In next time I'm going to show you a different creative ideas about home customizations or door system or all system. So please don't forget to follow me. I'm going to show you different things in next channel. So see you next time. Thank you.